Here I have OUKITEL OKT1, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on or off autocorrection feature on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, languages and input, languages, add a language. Oh, what am I saying? You go to languages and input, on-screen keyboard, Gboard, text correction. Excuse me for this misunderstanding. So here you can switch autocorrection by just tapping autocorrection, and yeah, so easily. Correct words while typing. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.